Where are the choo-choos at?
Declan, can you walk to Mama?
Are they in the drawer?
Yeah.
I see 4. Where's the rest of them? Look in here in the drawer.
That's not walking.
Right here. This one.
You want to play the piano?
Here, let me have that one. No, let me have that black one right there.
I'm gonna click-clack.
Are you going to get into trouble over there?
You gonna put the click-clacks on here? The click-clack cars go on the click-clack track.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Fill her up. Fill her up, sir. $50 regular.
Uh-oh. This isn't going to end well. Are you getting stuck? Come here. Come see Mama. Come here. You walk to Mama? Go ahead. Oh, that's not walking. How big is Declan? Declan, how big are you? What are you doing, Grant?